Hey everybody, I'm The Terrain with Server.pro, and Mojang has recently released version 1.16.4 for Minecraft Java Edition. This is a minor release, but there are some important changes and bug fixes that we will cover in today's video. And without further ado, let's just jump into the update. This release saw the addition of the Social Interactions screen. By default, the screen can be toggled with the key P. However, this can be configured to any key. On the screen, you will be able to see other players who are in your world or server, and you will have the ability to hide another player's chat messages as well as realm invites. Thank goodness for this, because I do not want to keep seeing this man's boat shop advertisements in chat. Also, if you try and access the screen in a single player world, you will receive an action bar telling you that you can do that. And in the accessibility options, a new button has been added that will lead you to the online accessibility guide. This release fixed a bug in previous versions where netherite leggings were rendered improperly. You can see the difference between the leggings on 1.16.3 and 1.16.4 right now. There were also some issues with the cursor in the recipe book and anvil menu screen, as the cursor was not shown blinking, but this has also been fixed in this version. So now it should be blinking and it will be a better indicator that you can type in these boxes. And servers that are incompatible with versions will now display the message incompatible version in red when hovered over, while in other versions this text was in dark red and read either client or server out of date. And that is actually all for this video covering the changes in 1.16.4. This is most likely going to be the last update before the 1.17 snapshots begin releasing in 2021, and of course we'll be covering those snapshots when they come out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos covering plugins, mods, texture packs, and soon data packs. And also, make sure to turn on the bell, this way when we do release 1.17 videos, you will not miss an upload. If you would like to learn how to create a free server that you can play on with your friends, head over to Server.pro or click the link in the description. Thank you for watching, I'm The Terrain, peace out.